Hello watchmate, what is going on? Our video for today's episode is a bit personal. Andito tayo ngayon sa SM Mall of Asia sa Pasay because I have to buy a new watch. Since I will be meeting my former boss dun sa dati kong trabaho this February. I want a watch that would signify not only how important my time is, but also as a show of respect that I value her time as well. But before we move ahead, be a part of our channel's expansion. Mamimigay ako ng few units nitong watch box display at ibang mga watch essentials. Ilalagay ko sa description kung paano sumali. Pero ngayon, mag-like, share, and subscribe ka na para magawa mo yung mga unang steps para sumali dyan. Once we hit 300 subscribers, i-announce ko rin dito sa channel kung sino yung mga nanalo. Watch boxes muna for now and other essentials but when we hit 500 subscribers, relo naman ang ipamimigay natin. Alright, come on! Brand specific yung ginawa kong pag-shopping para hindi na masyadong tumagal yung paghahanap. In particular, Ingersoll. Ano ba yung Ingersoll? Sabi dito sa website ng Chris Home Hunter, Ingersoll is an American brand founded in 1892. So more than 130 years na pala to, no? So masasabi natin may heritage na yung brand. According to watchcrunch.com naman, yung mga lolo pala ni Ingersoll is being manufactured in China. Pero huwag kayong basta magpapadala dun sa mga impressions about products that are made in China. Dahil base naman sa watcher.com, Ingersoll watches are characterized by precision and excellent craftsmanship. But on a personal standpoint, medyo unique kasi yung mga style ni Ingersoll and seems like inspired by those luxury brands. Why is that? Let's find out. Suggest din kayo ng ibang brand kung aning magandang i-shopping natin sa mga susunod nating episodes. So dito lang yan sa department store ng Mall of Asia. Ang nag-assist sa akin dyan itong si Mr. Rodney, no? He's very patient and has a lot of great model recommendations. So good job. Sa boss nito, deserve nito ng isang masarap na Dunkin' Donut at mainit na kape. Let's start yung try-ons dito sa model na tinatawag din ng The Broadway. So nakikita kong parang inspiration na ito is yung moon face ni Audemars Piguet. O yung tinatawag nilang Audemars Piguet or AP na lang para mas kilala siyang tawagan. Ano sa tingin niyo? Next up, itong The Motion. So parang nakikita ko namang inspiration ito is yung Blue. Not as identical pero nakikita niyo ba yung layout at yung DNA? What do you think? Should I get this one? Now this one is the Charles model. Ang nare-recall ko namang luxury brand dito is yung Vacheron Constantin or Vacheron Constantin dahil Pilipino tayo. What do you say? Here's our fourth option, yung tinatawag nilang The Herald. This one's beautiful. Familiar kayo sa brand na to? This one looks like a JJ Lecoultre or mas kilala bilang GLC. Ang tanong, should I get this one ba? Fifth option is the Tennessee. Ito undoubtedly ang inspiration nito is yung twin balance ng Breguet. Lovely. Tingin nyo, ito na lang kaya. Option F, itong The Naismith. Yun yung kanyang full specifications. No? This time wala akong maisip na brand inspiration ito But based on the color scheming, medyo parang nahahawig siya sa Jacob & Company. But will this be a good choice? Let me know dun sa comment section. Seventh, try-on. Itong model na tinatawag na The Play. And since rectangular yung shape niya, can sometimes be mistaken as a Frank Muller piece. Isn't it? But the question is, should I get it? Now, option 8 is what they call the Ollie. Correct me if I am wrong guys dun sa comment section. But what my eyes can see here is interpretation ng Cartier Santos or yung Cubitus ni Patek Philippe. Should I take this home guys? Ninth, try on itong The Challenger. Here is the full specification Kung nakakita ka na ng Richard Mille, meron siyang konting resemblance. Option number 10. Itong kanilang interpretation ng Panerai. This model is called the New Orleans. Interesting design. I don't mind taking this home. 11th, try on. So this is the Tennessee again, but on different color. Medyo elegante yung color combination and looks like a Thomas Earnshaw piece. Isang honorable mention lang na wala dun sa store nila, no? Itong The California, nakamukha nitong Santos Dumont. Quick round up lang ng mga pagpipilian natin. Lagay nyo lang dun sa comment section kung ano sa palagay nyo yung dapat kong bilhin. 1 comment, 1 entry. Kahit ilang entry ilagay nyo dyan. Ipili tayo ng mga makakasagot ng tama at saka yung mga comment na mga pinakamaraming likes. Based on that criteria, pipili tayo ng 7 lucky watchmates na masyado nang malakas para sa mundo ng mga tao. At makakasagot ng tama, comment nyo lang ano yung sa tingin nyo deserve makasama nitong dalawang to. Abangan nyo lang sa mga susunod nating videos at episodes dahil doon natin i-announce kung sino yung mga nanalo. Share mo din tong video at channel dun sa mga kakay mo para makatulong sa atin umabot ng 200 subscribers at syempre makadagdag dun sa likes ng comment mo. Babalikan natin yung Mall of Asia para mabisita naman natin yung ibang watch stores doon. Salamat sa panonood and keep watching.